Hello, hello, how are you? Hello. Okay, and I do slate. Alessandro Miro, and sitting down. Okay, yes, I can do that. Okay. Alessandro Miro, and I'm reading for Captain Stewart. Okay, you read with me. Thank you for having me. Okay, yeah. Good. Ready. Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some tour. You want me to do one more time, more ethnic? Because of diversity movement. Okay, yeah, I do more ethnic. Maybe I loosen tie. Maybe that's more ethnic. Okay, one more time. We'll try that. Action. Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some turbulence. No accent? You want me to do no accent? I thought you wanted more ethnic for diversity movement. Look more diverse. Sound not so diverse. Okay, this inclusion movement, very confusing. Okay, let's do this again. Look more diverse. Maybe let's one button this one. And sound not diverse. Okay, action. Ladies and gentlemen, still not ethnic enough. You want me to put on blanket because ethnic people are cold? Okay, you put on blanket, no problem. Cold ethnic people, yeah, like this. This is good, all the way around. Okay, action. Ladies, sorry, I don't understand how I fly plane if I'm holding blanket. It doesn't matter as long as I look ethnic. Action. Ladies and still not ethnic enough. Okay, you want me to put blanket over my head? Okay, good. Yeah, you like? Great. Action. Ladies and I look too ethnic. I look like girl from National Geographic. You want me to read different role now? Okay, not Captain Stewart. No. Action. Allah, Allah, Allah. I blow up plane. Allah.